Yo, chat. Hello. Are we live, chat? What the fuck are you talking about, bro? If this is a New York session, then what the fuck is this? Look at the time. Look at the time, bro. Bro, it's already 7 a.m. In the morning. Okay. The New York session starts from 7 a.m. and ends at 10 a.m. What the fuck? Fuck off, bro. Fuck off from here. Yeah, bro. Do your own research first. It's 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. Then the London closes 10 to 12 a.m. Okay, first learn ICT properly. If you don't know anything, try to learn it, bro. Yeah, yeah. It depends if you're talking about FX or indices. For indices, it's the 9:30 market opening, and this is forex, bro. Okay, whatever. Yo, chat. So I am already in a trade right now on euro. Okay, right here I entered this position. Let me show you. Okay, uh, 15 minutes will be good. Good. Okay. Right on this candle, the 2:15 a.m. candles, I entered a long position targeting that buy side liquidity at 1.17710. So right now I am green on this trade, and let's see if it hits my target. I'll look for new trade, new setups in New York session, I guess. What's GU is doing, bro? If GU closes above this fair value gap, it would work as an, I guess, support. Work as a support to take out this high at 1.35888. Have you guys taken any trade on the during the London session, guys? Have you guys taken any trade? Took a short on NQ and got stopped in profits. You have still have the New York session, boy. There's nothing to worry about. Okay, this would be a nice setup if this candle closes out this uh, fair value gap. First, look how price reacts from this off of this fair value gap. Then, if you want to take it trade, then target that buy side liquidity. My analysis is that we're gonna take out that high and uh, from the high of the day during New York session, and then during London close, we're gonna reverse. Like we're gonna close around that uh, price range. You haven't seen any fair value gap on 3 minute. What the? What are you talking about, bro? Bro, you could have entered on this right here. It was like around 2:40 a.m. Yeah. So there was three things that supports price here, like this bullish order block, then this two price point. Draw this in your chart. Then there is a fair value gap. So you could have taken it right there, and this was a propulsion block. Okay, there is an order block. It tapped into that, so it becomes a proportion of order block. So you don't want to see price go below the mid portion of that order block like this. Let me show you. Uh, the block. Right here. You could have had trade like this. What is EU doing? Okay, EU showing some upside movement right now. Mm. So I was asleep when EU reached on this fair value gap. Okay, if I was awake, then I would have taken some partial share when the London session ends, but I missed it. So yeah, let's see if price breaks above this high. I'm gonna take some partials and then let the rest run for the buy set liquidity on 1.17704. Okay, we are seeing some movement on that fair value gap. Let's see if it really wants to go up there. I think GU gonna take out that high. I don't know about that EU today gonna take out that high or no, but I think GU is probably gonna take out that high. Remember when we talked about that daily high on GU and TU was my higher time frame, higher time profit objectives. So yeah, we are reaching there. This was that daily high on GU. Yeah, GU has buy side at that point, bro. That is the daily high, daily swing high. Okay, here is also an SMT formed with DXY uh, from this from with this low. See, there's a higher high, but there's no lower low. But let's see. ZU also has SMT on 30 minute. Bro, right now I want to say you respect all the bullish PDRs within this price range if it's gonna continue higher. I've already captured like around 35 pips on this trade. Let's see if break up this high, then it would be like 46 pips for my trade. Yo, chat, the new motivational content is ready. After the stream, it's gonna be published. Okay, so okay, we're seeing some respect off of this fair value gap. Now, do not close below that. If this fails, then the second PDL would be this order block, bullish order block. And if price this bullish order blocks uh, fails to hold price, then probably just cut the trade. Okay, that's future on the. So is this the DEX chart? I never traded DEX. Which one should I select from here? Okay, my bad. Because I've never traded or studied that chart. Okay. Yeah, I'm on that forex.com chart. So we closed out this inversion fair value gap, right? But right now, let it break above this high. Okay, let it break above this or like below this low. One of these two things happens, then you can look for your setup. Do not engage in any trade right now within this two price point. That's what I can say at least. If this low gets broken, then see how price reacts off of this fair value gap. If it shows bullishness, then go long from there. Or if price breaks this high, then you could use this up close candle as a bearish bullish breaker. That's it. Let's return to our chart. Okay, USD cat. There was also an setup on USD cat like around 13 pips with this SMT on DXY. Wait, Bro, come on in. My stop loss is at break even. I'm already long at 24,175. Let me pull up the chart one more time for you. 24,175. No. Okay, around here you are long, right? Then did you take any partial right here, right on this high? Okay, if your stop loss is at break even, then there's nothing to worry. Okay, GU is reacting off of that fair value gap right now. Let's see if GU gonna take out that uh, daily high. Okay, EU is also showing some strength right now. For EU, I do not want to see any PDRs being respected towards the bullish bearish side above this 50%. Like this within this range, price should not respect any PDRs within this range if it's meant to go higher. No, didn't took any partial. You made a mistake, bro. Always take partials and pay yourself first. So you don't know what whether market is gonna give you anything or not. So when you have the opportunity, just take something off. Hey, look at that water bottle. Okay, GU is maybe GU is gonna take out that high. Not maybe, but if it continues, then let's see some projection of that high. Let's just use Asian session for the projection. Okay, we have like 7 right here, then 6.5 right here. Yeah, we have two projection right here. Okay, I didn't take any partial because price didn't even give 100. Okay, that's cool, bro. I thought if it wasn't a good trade, then you just need to wait and see. There's more opportunity in the market, so just wait for those opportunities. Okay, I don't want to see price breaks out of this low. I do not want to see euro break this low. This one. This. The GU is reversing. Right here. As long as DXY doesn't form any swing low, then it you don't need to care about that SMT. You always need to see if both the pairs you are comparing from that swing low or swing high that created an SMT. If it doesn't, then you don't need to worry about that SMT either. Nah, bro. Yesterday's Euro trade, I cut that off during the spring. This was, uh, let me show you. I took this one during the London session on this candle, and my stop loss was around like here, I guess. Yes, my stop loss was around right here, and now it's break even. It's a risk-free trade right now for me. Okay, right now I want to see price breaks this high. Okay, if price breaks these candles, turn on the silent mode. If this if price breaks this down close candles high, then uh, I would probably use this as a proportion block. But let's see, is price reacting off of this fair value gap to trap traders. Let's just take this off. Take this off. Do I look monthly, weekly, and daily point percent liquidity pool for buyers, but it will like bro, let me just tell you something. Just look for those external range liquidity. That's the real game changer. When you identify those external range liquidity pools, it becomes more easier. to take trade on that direction, because internal range liquidity is hard to trade sometimes. Those are very messy trade sessions. Okay, this trade is not looking good right here. Okay, if this low gets broken, then I'm gonna take out some partials on that trade on EU. If this low gets broken, I guess New York session is not moving uh, much because we had a huge session during London. That's why New York session isn't showing any nice price movement. Okay, our last point of interest. Our last period is being tapped on right here. I want to see aggressive uh, close of this down close candles high. One over BC. Bro, I am in a long position in you. So how am I supposed to tell you that is it gonna go go in that hourly BC? It could, if you have done your analysis, then just stick to it. I have my own analysis, so yeah, it's okay. So we are testing this down close candle on the 5 minute right now. Let's just look at G. By the way, chat, gave a thumbs up to the stream. And yeah, if you're new to the channel, then do subscribe. How do they even trade 1 minute? So stressful, man. Okay, right. Go and sit. Enjoy your coffee, brother. Do not interrupt me. Okay, if this high gets broken, then probably there's a like 80% chance that price would take out this high. So my analysis says that we need to take out this highs. It's more like an equal highs. So so I think New York sessions during New York sessions we're gonna take out that high and maybe form the high of the day for EU. I don't think EU can take out this daily high today, but for Geo I think Geo is gonna take out that daily high. And here's our two projection from the uh, Asian sessions. How many of you are short right now, guys? And how many of you are in a long position? The XY has this volume imbalance right here. We want to see price respect that volume imbalance. Next target for DXY would be this two lows. It's not even moving right now. Okay, this trade isn't looking good right now. We want to see price break that down close candles high before and it should not take out that low. Hey bro, you covered. Move this side. Okay. Okay. I guess that's gonna turn around us. Okay. So this one's gone wrong. Bro, right now you need to take up that high end, yeah, closer of that fair value gap, then maybe take support from that fair value gap and continue higher. That's what I'm expecting from you. Okay, okay. Be good man. Today I'm not gonna push the button. Tomorrow I'll wait. Bro, I had an opportunity to target those daily highs. Why should I miss them? This week was good for me, but it doesn't mean that every week's gonna be good. Provide me some good setup. So when it does, you have to take those opportunities. But yeah, some days keep leaving some days off. It's good for us. Okay, I'm still on this trade right now. Okay, let's see. Mac, if you haven't taken any trade, then just enjoy the stream, bro. Gold hour one, then 30-minute looks. So I used to do. Why do you even trade gold, bro? I find this pair doesn't even work for me. So yeah, we're seeing some uh, reaction of a below that 50% of that price. Like, well, let me just give you an cookie right here. If gold closes above this fair value gap, then you can probably take some trades targeting that high. That's it. If it does, let's go back to our chart. So EU, if EU closes above this high, then uh, that's gonna be a nice scenario for us, indicating that the price would probably take out this equal highs. Price needs to close up that fair value gap. By the way, chat, if you haven't joined the Discord community yet, go and join it. You'll find the link in the description, and yeah, follow me on X. And if you want to learn trading, then you can hit me up on Telegram or X. Okay, price closed up that fair value gap. So let's see how it reacts right now. If it comes down again, then probably it's gonna take out this low. What I don't want to see. By the way, for Geo, I don't want to see a swing high from below this high. This candles should take out that high. If it doesn't, then it's probably gonna take out this low also. So I haven't given the stream link to my Discord community. Let's just give them the link. Okay. So we have nice reaction off of that down close candle. Let's see if it can hold price. Always use order blocks that went deeper than the others. And if it takes some sort of liquidity, then that's the best scenario. but I use rarely. I do not use order blocks often. Yo, chat, what do you think? Are we gonna hit this spread or is it gonna turn around on us? What's you doing, bro? Okay, it's coming back again right now. That's not good for us. Maybe I should take something off of that trade. Okay, right now I think I'm gonna cut off this trade. Yeah, I think I'm gonna cut this trade off. Let's just do it. Okay, I cut it off, guys. Yes, I think prices right now are gonna take out this lows. That's what I think. No trades open today, bro. Are you talking about yourself or about me, bro? I took two trades on Geo. I think I took L right now, around $100. But on EU, I am up. Maybe I'm gonna take all of. I think I'm gonna let it run. I'm looking for short on GBP USD at 10 to 11. Yeah, if you don't see any opportunity during the New York session, then I think you should wait for the London close. If this gets taken, then I'll probably close the full trade right there. But yeah, I missed this opportunity to get out from that trade. Whatever, there's still tomorrow left. We can trade tomorrow and the day after tomorrow. So let me just explain why I cut this trade off. So first of all, we had this assumption right here. I told you that if price creates a swing high right here, then it would probably create, and at that time DXY needs to create a swing high, and it did created a swing high. That means probably price would take out the low, this low. After that, I told you that I do not want to see price closure of this candle's low or make a swing high around here. Why? You can see right here. DXY created a lower low, but GU failed to create a lower low there. So it confirms that price would take out that low, and it did took out that low right here. So yeah, we took $100 loss right on this spread. Okay, some are looking for this internal range liquidity in the chat. This is the low of that hourly BC. Oof. Why are you laughing, bro? You piece of shit. Should I say something about you in the stream, bro? This is that 15-minute or fair value. This blue shaded box is the 15-minute fair value. Your chat, go and join the Discord community, and here follow me on X. I'll soon arrange some giveaways for my community members. You too, bro. You too. Do you know? What the fuck are you doing? Yo, chat. If you, by the way, if you wanna start your funding journey, then you can check out Pinori Funding. They are giving 25% off. If you use next gen ICT coupon code, or you can go through the link in my description. Yo, chat. Do we see any higher high formed on DXY? We don't. Let's just wait. If I say price again come above this fair value gap, then I'll probably go long again, targeting that buy side liquidity because I'm super bullish for GBP. Did you take out that low? Yeah, we took out that low. Just take this two off. By the way, do not engage in any trade if you don't see any swing low forms. If you just saw GBP take out that low and then but DXY failed to take out that high, just don't go in. Wait for a swing low to form and swing high on DXY. Euro, I think Euro's gonna take out that low. Yeah, let's just see. By the way, 23 years our right from here. DAX is consolidating. What should happen after consolidation in a market maker buy model? Buy side of the curve. If it's a market maker buy model for you, then it should probably go higher from that consolidation phase. That should happen. Or it could do one thing. It could take out the lows of that consolidation phase and maybe tap into some PDRS and then continue higher from there. But wait for some sort of market structure shift there. Okay, we tapped into that hourly fair value gap. This is the hourly fair value gap's high. This is the low. What time is it? Okay, it's already 8:41. Let's just wait till 9:30. Let's see what happens. GEP could probably tap into this hourly fair value, but it would be nice seeing this bigger one not being tapped. If it stay open, then it's more high probability than price would go there. I haven't checked USD JPY today. What is USD JPY doing? Yo, bro. I think this high is gonna be taken out on USD JPY. We have a SMP with USD right here. Let's just see the pips. It's almost 17 pips. If USD get continue higher, then this would be the target for USD get. You can measure a pip from that high to this low. So we're right at 70% retracement. Almost 40 pips. Okay. This could be another setup. Just keep your stop loss at this low. It's a 1:2 hour trade. Okay. I think I'm gonna close my euro trade on the profit, guys. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. We are I closed all on euro, and it was around like, yeah, 472 bucks on that euro trade. We made around 472 bucks. It's good. It is nice. This was a nice trade today. Let's just say USD cat. What USD cat wanna do? What do you think about this one trade, guys? What do you think? Uh, does it gonna take out that hourly high I marked? Mhm. It's been a long day. Bro, I've said it many times, bro. I'm not in Indian, bro. My accent is just bit off. It's not bit off, it's too much off. But I'm learning. Let's see if I can improve my accent. Surely I'll do it. It's right around here. Yo, chat, if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, just smash the button, bro. What are you guys doing? What's the time right now? So it's almost 9 a.m. right now. Okay, we want to wait for the 9:30 opening. We want to see how 9:30 candle manipulates. Let's just have it here. Okay, right here. Yo, chat. I want to see how the 9:30 candles react. That decides if I would hold this trade or close it. So it's um, let me grab some water. Okay, let's see Geo. Okay, EU took a bit deeper retracement on that hourly fair value, but Geo is not not showing any interest to go down there, I guess. We don't need this right now. Let's see a 5 minute chart. Mm, this could be a nice market maker buy more right here, targeting that high. and if it reaches up to that high, then you could also target this daily high. If it does reverse from there. Yo, chat, give a thumbs up to the stream right now. What is the XY doing? Is there any news for DXY? Let's just check it for its factory. Okay, we have oh, it's at PM news, right? No. During London close, we have medium impact news on USD at 11:15 a.m. We have news, but I don't think that matters though. But tomorrow we have some news for GBP and USD. Okay, that's it. Let's just check this. Yeah, chat. How many of you think this is gonna hit? Or do you even think this is gonna miss? I'm confident about this trade right there. Let's see, but who knows? How much point are we up right now? We're up like five pips on this spread. Maybe you can move your stop loss right here, or just leave it where it was on that uh, below this low right here. Okay, we have 27 minutes left for the 9:30 opening. What is S&P doing? Let's see. Yes. Okay, yes, took the daily high. We talked about this before when price was right around here. Man, it's just going higher and higher. Okay, there are some big liquidity pools. This trend line liquidity pools right here. Retail traders gonna think that price would right here. They're waiting for price to tap on this and maybe go short. So yeah, these are some good spot. Okay, let's just mark this. Okay, GU also tapped on that hourly BC. This was the hourly BC right here. It tapped on that. So this has no work for us. Maybe I'm gonna skip GU and U for today. Just focus on that uh, the USD cat trade. Maybe I'm gonna let it run overnight for today. This USD get rate. By the way, the new motivational video is up right now, boys. Go and give it a watch. Bro, not often, bro. I do not trade gold very often. I think I uh, haven't traded it for the last few months. Gold doesn't work for me. That's why I skip it. My strategy works very well for uh, forex and futures like ES and Nasdaq. Okay, GU is showing some move off of the hourly fair value gap, but as long as it doesn't close up this low, right? This I don't think it's gonna reach up that daily high for today. Yo, chat, have anyone captured this uh, short move on EU targeting that hourly BC? What do you think, Chat? Should I let it run overnight or just close this during the London close session? Do you even think this trade's gonna go up there right here? But I'm kind of confident about this trade. The USD get failed two times, taking out a specific hourly low, whereas DXY took that low. So I think USD doesn't want to go lower before taking out that high at 1.38061. Okay, there's almost around 10 minutes left for the 9:30. Maybe, or it could tap on that bullish breaker one more time and then maybe use that fair value gap one more time. I have two things on the chart right now that's indicating price wanna go higher from there. And there's something else that I'm also looking, but it's not drawn on the chart. Yep. If anyhow price comes above this high, then it would probably take support from that high and leave that high out. To, 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 yo. How's this day for you guys? Have you guys taken any trade today? Chat. Have you guys taken any trade, or you just leave this day off? But today there was some very nice move on forex pairs. I think USD is gonna sell long 4 hour and 15 minute, but 1 minute consolidation is making me wait. Okay, you're talking about USD. But I think keeping your hands off of the euro and GBP for today's session is better for you, because most of the move for this today is done. But you can look for setups on GU, or just wait for GU to come above this low. Euro is testing that fair value gap one more time. Do not sleep anymore, bro. We're gonna go out. What the fuck? How could you sleep this long, bro? Okay, this fair value gap right here is making me a bit anxious right now. If we be able to close out this, then there's a high probability for price to continue higher. What are you doing this? Why? Mm, oh, there's almost 3 minutes left for the 9:30 opening. Let's see what we see on 9:30. I would love to see this high gets broken. Once this gets broken, then I would probably move my stop loss around here. Let's just see. But the XY is not looking good right now. Yeah, it's not looking good. What we have, okay. Okay, a minute left for the 9:30 opening. Okay, we're gonna see how that 9:30 candles manipulate. That's gonna decide if price is gonna continue from there. This price lag here could possibly mean the 9:30 manipulation before the 9:30 manipulation. But let's just see. What do we have in a 15-minute short? We're still on that 15-minute available here. Yo, chat, I think I'm gonna wrap up this stream for today. I'm gonna give the updates about this trade on the community post or also in the Discord community. So yeah, if you haven't joined the Discord community yet, just go and join it. You can find the link in the description. And if you don't follow me on X, go and follow me there also. So yeah, until we meet tomorrow, peace out, guys.